So now you can see I've gone along and slid them up and down. If we look at this post here, you'll notice that up here was my initial 125 mark, or 120 mark, and I've actually had to bring the string down quite a bit, maybe 10 centimeters. That's okay. The reason for that is this post it'd be hard to see, is actually sitting on a hump in the ground. So all that's going to mean is the bottom wire and the bottom of the mesh is going to be tight or a little bit below ground level, and we'll just have to dig it out a bit or let it fold along the ground. But again, in this case, that's more important or better than being off, having a gap off the ground. Now with a different type of fence that's just wire, just plain wires, it wouldn't matter so much. We could have moved some up and some down to get the alignment right, because having a bigger, if the gap under the bottom wire is 20 centimeters and it ends up being 24 centimeters, that doesn't really matter. But if the gap under exclusion mesh or dog mesh or chicken wire or horse mesh is supposed to be 0, we really can't have it be any bigger than that. So you can see now, I've got a nice string line. I can kind of look from this angle, then I can go back here and look from that angle. Also important from a customer quality point of view is go and take a look from the angles. They'll most frequently see it. But what we're see now is if the wire follows that pink line, it's going to look nice and neat. It's going to flow nicely across. And that's going to allow us now just to put our horizontal timber in the end stay right in the alignment that we want.